Hey guys, so hey, welcome to the channel. So today's Friday, but I'm going home early. Guys, you know I'm halfway back. So I just grabbed myself some lunch and now I'm going home. So yeah. Hey guys, so I am home and yeah, so just the updates. I'm gonna try and pull up my hair because I need to get it washed and stuff. So yeah, ooh, that's a cute angle though. Anyways guys, I'm just lying down because I am so tired. Yeah, good thing I got up early, so I can at least lie down for a bit. So yeah guys, just chilling and stuff. So I need to get this hair pulled out and stuff. I don't know guys, I'm thinking of processing my hair, you know, relaxing it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Hey guys, update time. So my hair is pull out, so I don't know. But morning guys. Guys, so we're gonna be showing you how we cook our national dish, right? Right? Yep. Yes, so our national dish, this is ackee when it's not cooked and stuff. So we just cleaned it. So we're gonna boil it. And then we're gonna put the seasoning stuffy on it. And you guys will see that. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so the ackee has been boiled. Please steaming. And instead of saltfish, we're gonna be using salt mackerel.
No saltfish, you bought me.
We're gonna use salt mackerel. And she's cooking yam and dumplings. It's boiling guys. So she is cutting up the seasoning. So we got tomatoes, onions, a scallion, we have thyme. What else is there, baby?
Sweet.
And sweet pepper. Woo -woo.
This is the outcome for dinner. Show me. And she's already eating. By the way, if you're wondering who is talking to you just now, it's Shakay.
Hey guys, so I'm here. We're going to Kingston. We're gonna look for my grandma. But guys, I have to rep my school because everybody in Jamaica knows what kind of weekend it is. It is Champs Weekend, and we know Edwin Allen's gonna take it. Ooh, ooh. So Edwin Allen's taking it for the girls, and we know the boys gonna be Calabar. We'll see. But guys, yeah, I'm repping in my blue and white all the way. This is what Champs does to people.
1346 pinup on a high.
Hi. Who you repping? Who you repping? Who you repping?
Casey Edwin. Casey Edwin.
Our name Casey. Who you bringing, girl?
C-Bar at Edwin Alley.
Hey, you see? I'm Edwin.
If you're not care, them you're not say nothing.
Them fitting around there, so about them I bring Casey. I'm like,
I choose Casey, I'll make them go for me.
yeah, Calabar all the way. Yeah, let's get it. We're at Boulevard Center. Yeah, I don't know what I'm today. A Calabar do this. I don't know what I'm going. Calabar all the way. You don't know. Yeah, green and white, green and black. Ooh, tiny tots. What's up? It's on display. But everywhere you go, there's a crowd watching. Yes, because we're repping this color and everybody is repping this purple and white. Yeah, we need a drawing book, guys. I'm going to drawing book. One cute one. Hey, Dad. I'm gonna say orange juice and see. I don't want to be anything. Silver, I'm getting on my bone me.
The next set of relays, it's the 4x1 class 1 for boys. Louis James has
come Calabar, don't forget to make a soup. I can't make a dirty KFC when you're not so easy. Nothing behind them PP clock.
They're almost ready to go for the second set of 4x1 relays here. Wonderful evening, nice shot from our drone.
I like how it feels now. The first time I didn't read them. Ready for you. They make money now?
Technical. Boys, 4x1 relay final.
And they're off.
Come. Now no time to jack nobody no pass through it good, easy and sweet. No. You go for Calabar.
Calabar had some work to do. Kingston.
Come on. Serious that. Come on. Come, Calabar, me want you win, please. Just win, Casey, please. Good. I'm coming out, boy. We don't no more time to get second. Burn me.
Actually, you still open up? And they're off.
Very good start. And every now and then has gone out well. So to Heidel in lane 6. Every now and then chasing in lane 4. The change will be first by Heidel. Every now and then is right there. The Excelsior.
Move.
Sure. Excelsior. Keeping them honest.
But here's an extra to have a bad time. She started going to share any side and they can't have it back. Come on. Come girl, you're a tiggy, not taking it. Come on. Come on. So slow. Come on.
I'm not passing. I'm passing.
But at this point, the race is now over. Kevin Allen is leading. This is Cole on the third leg. Cole on the third leg, as usual, runs into Tia Clayton. The baton pass made smoothly, and this team after the races and after the record books again. Fastest ever for 14-year-old girls in the world. Nobody has come anywhere near this 44.25. Hubert, my information tells me that is the second fastest time ever by any girls 4x1 team for class 1, 2, 3, or 4. Only the record point for 1-6 set by that super team.
How you feeling?
I went see where I lose me good.
Tia Clayton on anchor, fantastic run. Talk to us about your event. Got him. I feel like Usain in the cheetah print.